Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some news. Also, I'm gonna share with you some of my analyses. They're all my personal thought, personal analysis. Then let's move on. What's going on? Asia stocks extend tag-led gains. Nikkei hits new peak near 58k post Takaichi win. So, Nikkei is an index in Japan, and after Takaichi win, it increased. That's what obvious, but the things we can consider that from side of crypto. After that, we will know that people will get risk appetite. It will get higher, and when it higher, they will consider crypto as well. That's why it's kind of good things. Oil prices edge lower with US-Iran tension in focus. So oil prices are dropped down, but the things not that sharply, it's just dropping down slowly. And it can, affect gold for sure. But I don't expect any sharply movement because it's dropping slowly. So it will, might just support gold for a bit, I can say it. Like that, as long as it's not dropping sharply, it's not make some sharply movement, that's okay for us. And Google Trends data shows crypto interest slumps as market pulls backs. So it's expectable situation because after 59k in Bitcoin and actually not only crypto, in everywhere, people lost their interest about crypto, and even most of market they did it. But the things in crypto, we don't care those kind of things much because yesterday we were 59k and today we are expecting 83k, so it's just changing so fast. And of course, if there's some investor who don't have any interest, after 2 days they will change their idea. So this is crypto, guys. That's why that's okay. That's also other sign. There's a fear index. When it's so drop, that's time we can consider is to make some investment time, like that. So that's also another signal, might be when people are not interesting, when people is carrying, that's time we most make investment, because that time we will know there will be some dip which we already had. So what is in total? Yes, yesterday I told you that we will see this 2.5. I will just move that because there is no, it's like it came from yesterday to today. Nothing changed. Just it's make some zigzag movement. As long as it's not break down, we will see 2.5 on total. And others, I wanna check it. This is, I made it maybe weeks ago. Anyway, I can say that there's a one flag. So if it can break up, it can come straight away over here, and it's same level with my previous guess actually. Because also there might be work, head and shoulders, but so far we can consider this is as a barrack because it's tomorrow. I mean, we can check closer time. So when it came here, just 1 second, let me fix this. Yes, better now. So I can delete this. That's not mean I already made it here. So basically, when price came here, we can watch out 188k. This is good for coins. That means we will see some green times in crypto. And how, let me just check. And this is 10%, it's equal like 20% in around, in altcoins. So that's good. So in gold, yes. Gold still walking around 5k. I told you yesterday if it can break up if it can break up the 5100k, finally I said. It will keep rise till here. So also I can say, I can even give a position for this, Yeah, like that. Also, I can say that this is lower odds, but I'm gonna make two side. Let's make short. If it can. Also make breakdown. It can come till here. Let's just delete this one. So this is important, that's why I'm gonna keep in both where it's anyway. So we can also consider gold as a short. Yes, make a stop loss as well. So in both way we can earn. It's win-win basically. If it's break up this level, we can open long. If it's break up this level, we can open short this level. Oops. Yeah, like that. And we have a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. We still expecting here when it came here. Let's make it like that. Yes. So we can wait for it. At this, when it came around here, we can consider short or long. Let's see. But it will give that formation, that what I see so far. Ethereum, we still have position in Ethereum. It didn't came in, as you see. It didn't enter. So let's wait. Not accept. I was saying something else. BNB. Let's make them closer. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yes, I just fixed it. Does not matter even if you are not in anyway. So I do also expect some rise inside of that, and it will give us 6%, but whatever I making right now, I will make with 2 or 3x, so no need, because they still have some point to 66k in Bitcoin. Yes, it's small odds, but it's crypto, guys. We need to what is it? Bitcoin Cash, yes. I guess I will keep move till eternity. It will come because, oh my gosh, as you see, there's so nice flag. So if it tries, even it can come till here, but there's have some area, some zone. That's why I keep like that. It's okay. It's 6% at least. It's good. So let's check it. So in Solana, what can I think? What can I think sometimes? I might open with 1x or spot. Yeah, like that. But the things I need to type it 1x or spot because it's risky. Also, yesterday I told you, I'm gonna tell you tomorrow. I don't know why did I say that. It was easy. Solana has one, token unlock this week. it's gonna happening. Just in case, of course, it's Solana, even if it might make some zigzag movement, but it make it when it rise here. I can thought it will drop down around here with that news, but let's see because it's have small odds anyway. What is it? XRP. In XRP, you know what I'll give to I will give one. Oops. For God's sake. Okay. Now I'll explain why I'm making that short position. I am making that short position just in case of 66k in Bitcoin, cause when it happened, we might see some sharply drops in XRP. They are the first coins who falls on this type of sharp market. Oh, sorry. So if we see that, we can see this drop as a 20%. Even just 1x 2x, that's okay. It will go a lot, guys. And even if there's some drops on Bitcoin side, it will drop lower than 1 for sure. But let's make it, this is our target point. So what else, Zach? Why I do making like that general? I just want to make it smaller because I don't see after anything. Yep, there is have 30%. Do you remember? But it's 1x. 1x or spot. Where is it? Where is it? Let's make it also. It's 30%, guys. So that's understandable. And it's risky, you know it. But it has, no, it also has high stop loss, 5%. So even 2x will let you lose as if it's, stop. So I guess that's it so far. I will delete this dominance pretty soon. So there is have still some odds to drop down on 66 and rise over there. I did not give you any position. Excuse me. Of course, in Bitcoin, because this is my expectation 83, because there is a gap, guys. Of course, there will be some things else. Yeah, for a 10, that's okay. Let's make this 75. Yes. So, in Bitcoin, I will push them. I do always put my position pretty far. After when it's successful, I feel like, it's far. People will think in wrong way. So, yes. Of course, in Bitcoin, it's 11%. That's okay, I guess. Yeah. So, of course, I do expect some, rise movement this week. I'm very hopeful. I'm pretty positive because, we see hell. So, what else we can see? There's too many things, by the way. There's so bad scenario, but I'm not going to talk about them because I'm expecting some rise till 83. This is our first level. After 98, after we will see, 98 is, important point. After, if we can break up, we will see some nice market. But so far, I can say that if it drop down, the 66 for sure will hold it. But in case if Trump not talk some, stupid stuff, cause he keep talking because about Epstein, people are, trying to excuse it. They make protests, so he had no time. He's still trying to hold this Iran stuff on his hand, cause that's what he got so far. Everything can happen on side of him. That's why I cannot say promise. If it drop down, of course, down of to 66k, that would bring us 856, unfortunately. But I don't think so it's gonna happen, because market must, get better. All markets drop down so sharply, so they need some fuel for, some rides. That's what I'm thinking, and that's all so far. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's wake up with better day, and guys, don't forget tomorrow fat days. So bye bye.